channel. If you're new here, my name is Alyssa. Today I am bringing you into my kitchen and we are making a delicious fall breakfast recipe. I'm showing you how to make some cinnamon apple granola. This is one of my favorite recipes for fall. It's sweet, it's got some appley flavor, it's got warm spices like cinnamon and nutmeg, and it's so good on a chilly fall morning. I personally am already in the mood for fall. Got my flannel on, I've been like rocking my slippers every single day, and it's just like one of my favorite times of year, and I can't wait for you guys to see all of the yummy fall recipes we have. We're kicking things off with this awesome granola. As always, the full recipe is down in the description box below, so you can get that over on the blog. I also would love for you to subscribe if you are not yet part of our community here on YouTube. Hit that red button right below this video. That will subscribe you. Other than that, I think we should just go ahead and dive right in. We'll start by adding 3 cups of oats into a mixing bowl, followed with a full cup of quinoa flakes, half a cup of chopped up pecans, half a cup of sliced almonds, and half a cup of coconut flakes. And then our spices are a tablespoon of cinnamon and about a teaspoon of nutmeg and a generous pinch of sea salt. And then you can just stir all of the dry ingredients together and set that aside while we move on to the wet ingredients. The wet ingredients for our granola is coconut oil, maple syrup, and applesauce. And you're just going to whisk that all together until it's smooth and creamy. You might need to melt this over the stove or in the microwave if your coconut oil is solid. You need your coconut oil to be liquid. From there, you can just pour your wet ingredients into that mixing bowl and just stir everything together until the granola is fully coated with that appley maple mixture. And then we'll just transfer it onto a baking sheet. And you can bake this at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes. And I like to stir mine every 10 minutes or so just to ensure that it's evenly cooked and not burning. From there, we are going to add on some diced dried apple. I use about half a cup of diced dried apple. You can just cut up those apple rings that you can find at the store and then just stir it in. If you want, you can pop this back in the oven for another 5 minutes or so to get those apples a little bit crispy, but I like it this way actually. And then you can just, stir that all together, and that is your granola. Make sure that you let it cool completely before you transfer it into the container that you're going to store it in. I like to store mine in large mason jars, and I just pour it out of the mason jar when I'm ready to eat breakfast. Top it with a little bit of milk. Sometimes I do this with yogurt, or even this granola is awesome just like on top of a smoothie bowl. And I also actually had it the other day on top of pumpkin pancakes with some maple syrup, and it was so awesome. So you really can't go wrong with this granola. You can serve it however you like granola. Makes a great snack, great breakfast, and it's so yummy. And there you have it, my friends. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe video. As always, I would love for you to try it and let me know what you think. You can come back to this video and let us know down in the comments, or you can share something on Instagram, photo, video, whatever. You can tag me in your stories at Simply Quinoa or use hashtag Simply Quinoa. I also just want to mention, if you want super crispy granola, I have a trick for you, and I've linked that down in the description box, so I've put that in the blog post. If you want to get the foolproof method for making extra crispy granola, definitely make sure to check out the blog. All of the instructions, ingredient lists, everything like that are also in the blog, so that link is down for you below. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being here. Happy almost fall. I can't wait to share all of the yummy fall recipes we have coming your way. Lots of pumpkin, lots of apples, lots of cozy comfort food, so tons of good stuff. As always, you can leave requests for specific recipes or anything like that in the comments. I read every single one, and your suggestions and requests are how I kind of create a lot of my content. So send them my way if you have them. Otherwise, thanks so much for being here, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!